In this section, we've been talking a lot about odds and also probability. And these two topics, especially if you are new to them, are easily confused. So let's compare odds versus probability. As an example, let's just say that we had the odds of something are 3 colon 8. The 3 is going to be the success or the number of ways an event can happen. Now, the 8 is going to be the failure or the number of ways an event cannot happen. For these odds, 3 colon 8, the probability is going to be 3/11. So I'm going to pause just a moment and have you look at that. If I have that the odds are 3 colon 8 and the probability is 3/11, how do you think I got that probability? Just kind of look at it for a minute. Well, what you may see is that the 3 comes from the success of the odds, or the number of ways an event can happen. The 11 is going to be the total possible outcomes. If you notice, the way I got that 11 is I just added 3 and 8. I added the success plus the failure. So let's do an example. This says the odds of rolling a 2 on a single die. Well, there's only one, and this is the success. So the odds of the event are going to be 1 colon 5. This is the 2, and then this is the 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There's 5 different ways to get a number that's not 2. Now, to turn that into a probability, we're going to have the success in the numerator, and in the denominator, it's going to be the total outcomes. So I'm going to add the success plus the failure to get the 6. All right, let's do an example. Based on his skills in basketball, it was computed that when Michael Jordan shot a free throw, the odds in favor of him making it were 21-4. Since this is odds in favor, the 21 is going to be the success, and the 4 will be the failure. What are the odds against Michael Jordan making a free throw? The odds against, I'm going to write as failure, which is 4, colon success, which is 21. What is the probability that Michael Jordan will make the free throw? So the probability that he will make it is going to be the success, which is 21, over the total. So I'm going to add 21 plus 4. What is the probability that Michael Jordan will miss the free throw? So that means the probability against him making it. You have a couple ways we can approach this. We could do complement of an event, so 1 minus 21 over 25. That will get us 4/25. Or we can look at the probability, instead of success in the numerator, we're going to put the failure in the numerator. And the denominator will just still be success plus failure. The next problem said the odds in favor of a horse winning a race are 6 colon 1. So since it's odds in favor, this is going to be the success. This is going to be the failure. What is the probability of the horse losing? Okay, we got a couple things going on here. So we want probability of the horse losing. So we now need the failure in the numerator, and we've already defined that. That's 1. All over the total, which is going to be 6 plus 1. So 1 7th. So in this case, we had failure up here, and then down here we had success plus failure. Okay, let's look at the next problem. The probability that Johnny will do his homework is 2/11. So probability of the event is going to be 2/11. And the question says, what are the odds that he will do his homework? Since the probability is 2/11, this is the success, and this is the total, which is 2 colon failure. Well, the failure is not 11 because this 11 is the total. We have to split the 11 into success, which is 2, and failure. The failure is going to be 9. So that tells us that the odds of the event are going to be 2 colon 9.